तदीयेषु त्यागेषु भक्तुजितात्वं पुनः प्रेमतास्त्वां तथा वरं देव मोक्षण मोक्षावधिं वा नाचानं विनेहा वरेशाति ईदन्ते वपुर्नाथ गोपाल बालं सदा मे मानास्याभिरस्तम् ईदन्ते मोक्षं भोज अव्यक्त्यानीलै वृतं कुण्डलै स्निग्ध रक्तैश्च ईदन्ते मोक्षं भोज अव्यक्त्यानीलै मुहुःसुन्दितं बिम्ब रक्ताधरा मे मनस्याभिलाष्यामलङ्लक्ष्यना नमो देव दामोदर अनंत विष्णु प्रसीद प्रभु दुख जलात्मा कृपा दृष्टि पृष्ठति इमं वातानु विहाने क्षमा मध्य कुबेरात्मजो वध्य मूर्त्वैव जाद्वा त्वयामुचितो भक्ति भजो कृतो तथा प्रेम भक्ति सकमे प्रजाच्छ नामोक्षे गृहमस्ति दामोदरे नमस्ते सुधाम्ने पुरदीप्ति धाम्ने अदिउदरायत विश्वस्तधाम्ने पुरदीप्ति धाम्ने अदिउदरायत नमो राधिका वै कदिया प्रिया वै अमनंत लीलाय जय राधा दामोदर राधा दामोदर यशोदा गोपाल जय यशोदा समवेत गौर भक्त वृंद की निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपा कदा मायं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं त्वं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजन सहितं कृष्णा चैतन्य देवं श्रीराधा कृष्ण पादां सहगण ललिता श्री विशाखान्वितांश्च नमयों विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिशे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधाकांत नमस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। नीलाचल निवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्र सुभद्राभ्यं जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। वंशकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। मुखं करोति वाचालं पंगुर्लंघयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवं श्रीचैतन्य ईश्वरं श्रीगुरुदिनतारिणम्। हरे कृष्णा। So we are all here today. Today is a very auspicious day, an amazing blessing that on this day, Saturday, when we are all supposed to meet after a long vacation of pujas, today, by the mercy of Lord Jagannath and Radha Damodar, today is the day we are starting the month of Srimati Radharani, that is Kartik month starting. This month, so many years, we all know, we are practicing Krishna consciousness. We are so blessed to celebrate this by the mercy of Sri Guru, Srila Prabhupada, and our Acharyas and our deities, Sri Radha Govinda, Sriman Mahaprabhu, and Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Mani and Sudarshan, and Sri Yashoda Gopal. We are celebrating this festival next 1 month. And it is such a blessing that today we are starting it in the Purnima day, and we are having the Sangha today. So today's talk, which I am going to give all of you, I hope and pray that it creates consciousness of how we are going to spend this next 1 month. Yes, time and age is passing. সময় চলিয়া যায় নদীর স্রোতের প্রায়, যে জন না বোঝে তার এধিক শতধিক। বলিছে সোনার ঘড়ি টিক টিক টিক, ডাকিচু করার আছে করে নাও ঠিক। The golden, bell of the, clock is doing dang, 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 dang. What he is saying? He is saying this time is passing, just like the rivers are passing. সময় চলিয়ে যায় নদীর স্রোতের প্রায়. So the intelligent person understands what to do and what not to do. By the divine grace and the blessing, we have taken birth in the land of ভারতবর্ষা। ভারত ভূমিতে মনুষ্য জন্ম হইল যার, জন্ম সার্থক করি করো পরোপকার। Lord Sri Gauranga Mahaprabhu, who is Krishna himself, he is coming and he is telling all of us how the birth in India is so great. Bharat Bhumite Manusya Janma, and above that, to take birth as a human being in this age in India is such a great blessing. As Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has been asked by Sanatan Goswami, one of his associate, one of his disciple, he is asking, "Ke ami keno tumi dao tapotroy? Why I am here? Why I have taken birth? What is my duty? What I need to do with this body and consciousness?" So then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu tells him what is the most blessed thing to do in the form of a human form. Even the Shankaracharya is saying also, punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janani jatare shayanam ehi samsare bahudastare kripa paraheri mura. The great personalities, they have said that we have taken birth in the holy land of Bharatavarsha. And above that, we are so blessed that we are connected to Bengal, where Sri Gauranga Mahaprabhu, who is Krishna himself, appeared. And what we need to do? We need to be very careful about it. And so many years now, as we are all are here, we are in touch with Srila Prabhupada's family and philosophy of Sri Gauranga Mahaprabhu. India has given birth to great personalities. India has blessed this Bharat Varsha, is Bharat Bhumi, Prithvi Mata also is blessed because of the touch of Narayan. And so many great souls, Srimad Bhagavatam says that they have given us the way of life that we need to practice in a human form of life. So today's talk is introspection. Please remember that. Introspections mean you have to think about yourself. Time is passing. We started this Saturday Sangha 11 years back. 11 years. This year will be the 12th year. Act Jug, 1 decade. And as I was telling, as I was discussing, that the great personalities also came, the devotees of the Lord also came. And they are performing their devotional service. They did their performance of devotional service in such a way, in the service of others, the service of the mankind, service of, for every living entity. The India land is famous for Ambarish Maharaj, the great king Ambarish, for whom the Sudarshan came to protect when Durvasa Muni attacked him. We are the person, we are the people of who are, our ancestors were the great heroes like Yudhishthir Maharaj. Yudhishthir Maharaj, he showed the Pancha Pandavas, they showed us what is devotional service by their own example. Even if a lot of challenges they were facing, but they were so, focused on their devotion to Sri Krishna. We are, we know the beautiful pastime of Rantidev, the king who gave everything for others. He was fasting for 8 months. And after 8 months, when, the time came when he was about to break his fast, the gods and the goddesses, they came to test him. The one portion of his food was taken by a Brahmana, second was by the Vaishya, then, Shudra, and the water also been taken by someone. And he was happy to share everything that he had. That is the power of this, devotion. That is the power of The Vaishnavas, Brahmanda Tarite Dhare Jane Jane Shakti. And we are their family, we are their children. So our life should be given for others. First, we need to understand that how blessed we are. Yes, we will discuss about Kartik, but we need to understand also how lucky we are having the Krishna Katha in our life, Krishna in our life, Krishna's holy name in our life. Krishna's devotees are in our life. Then the great king Bhagirath, who comes in the dynasty of Lord Ramachandra, he did so much tapasya to bring Mother Ganga for all of us. His 4 generation, Sagar Raja, his son Anshuman. Anshuman started, then Dilip, then Janmejay, then Bhagirath. They did 4 generation. They did tapasya to bring Mother Ganga, Vishnu Charanamrita to this world, that we can take bath and we can honor her and we can be blessed with our divine nectarian, ambrosio. Then we know the beautiful pastime of Lord Shiva. He drank poison. Why he drank poison? Because he wants to save us. He also carried Mother Ganga's force, becoming a stabilizer. For whom? For others. And in this way, when we do things and when we worry and we become very, very keen to support and align with the desires of the Lord, what the Lord's desire is. Krishna always wants his children should be very happy. Many of you are fathers and mothers, many of you are parents, many of you are guiding so many people, many of you are leaders. What is your main goal? That all of your dependent people must be happy, isn't it? Now, how happiness comes? Happiness comes when you do something for others and you connect them with Krishna, because Krishna is the source of happiness. Ishvara, Parama, Krishna, Satchidananda Vigraha. Anadiradi Govinda, Sarva Karana Karanam. Hey Krishna Karuna Siddhu, he is the merciful Lord. Dina Bandhu Jagatpate, Gopesha, Gopika Kanta, Radha Kanta Namaste. Namo Brahmanna Devaya, Go Brahmanna Hitaya, Jagadritaya, Krishnaya, Govindaya Namo Namaha. So these great personalities, great kings, Bhagirath, even Lord Shiva, they lived their life in such a way that they wanted to please Krishna. They wanted to do something for others. So now another 2020 Kartik is here. Today is the beginning day of Kartik. So what we should think? Yes, we need to offer lamp. We need to offer, to chant more rounds. We need to come to the temple for taking darshan. These are all nice, wonderful spiritual activities. But then at the end, we need to understand that what is the purpose of doing all these things. I need to be better than yesterday. I need to be better than yesterday health-wise. I need to be better than yesterday consciousness-wise as well. And that is called introspection. हम कल जितने अच्छे थे उससे आज ज्यादा अच्छा होना चाहिए, चेतना के हिसाब से भी एवं शारीरिक रूप से तो है ही. And my devotion, my dedication, my surrender, my faith must be more than yesterday. So this is growing or not? 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017, all years are passing. But then the sadhus are saying, Prabhupada is saying that you need to be very, very careful about your devotional life. You need to be very serious in your devotional life. But if we become Gyan Papi, then what is the use of coming to Krishna? You know what is the meaning of Gyan Papi? Gyan Papi means I know everything, but I don't act on that. I know it is better for me, but I don't do it. Oh, then what is the use of doing it? Then why you are here? We are here in the family of ISKCON because we want to love Krishna. So is my love for Krishna is growing? Is all the anarthas, kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, mastery and all these things is deteriorating? It's going away? Or my envy is becoming more if somebody is singing nice and doing some wonderful service? Hare Krishna. That is called introspection. There is a story of birds. The birds were very much harassed by the hunter. Hunters were coming and disturbing. So the birds, they went to a monk. So birds flew and went to the monk and then said, can you help us? We want to be safe from the hunter because he is catching us and disturbing us. So hunter said, I will give you a mantra. Now what is that mantra? He said, please repeat after me. शिकारी आएगा, दाना डालेगा, जाल बिछाएगा, जाल में फंसना नहीं. So all the birds, they were saying, okay, शिकारी आएगा, दाना डालेगा, जाल बिछाएगा, जाल में फंसना नहीं. Then the sadhu said, okay, repeat again. शिकारी आएगा, जाल बिछाएगा, दाना डालेगा, डाल में फंसना नहीं. So they flew. And then they were saying, together they were doing Sankirtan. शिकारी आएगा, दाना डालेगा, जाल बिछाएगा, डाल में फंसना नहीं, नहीं नहीं नहीं, फंसना नहीं. So they did chanting of शिकारी आएगा, दाना डालेगा, जाल बिछाएगा, जाल में फंसना नहीं. They did Sankirtan. शिकारी आएगा, दाना डालेगा, जाल बिछाएगा, जाल में फंसना नहीं. Then they went to the place where they used to stay. And then they saw शिकारी आया, दाना डाला, जाल बिछाया, and all of them, they flew, started eating that dana. And when they were eating that dana, they were saying, शिकारी आएगा, दाना डालेगा, जाल बिछाएगा, जाल में फंसना नहीं. All of them were caught. Horrible. It's not horrible, it's horrible. Why it is horrible? Because it is just like a parrot saying Ram Ram Ram, Krishna Krishna Krishna. Sometimes the parrots say Ram Ram Ram, Krishna Krishna Krishna, but do they understand what they are doing? In Bengali house, every parrot is named as Mitu. Mitu. And every doggy in a Bengali house is called Bagha. So this Mitu will always say, Ram, Ram, Ram. So for him, for that bird, whether Ram, Ram it is saying or Kabhi Kuchi Kabhi Gum he is saying. It's all same. It's all same because he does not understand anything. But we should not be like that. The shikari aayega, dana dalega, jal bichayega. We should not be that foolish and stupid person. We are intelligent people. So Prabhupada is saying, the Acharyas are saying, E mono durmati samsara bhitare podiya achi nu ami tabo nijo jan kono mahajane পাঠাইয়া দিলে তুমি দয়া করি মোরে পতিত দেখিয়া কহিল আমারে গিয়া ওহে দিন জন শোনো ভালো কথা উলসিত হবে হিয়া তোমারে তারিতে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য নবদ্বীপে অবতার তোমাহেন কত দিনহীন জনে করিলেন ভবপার. You liked it? So give right here and Haribol for me, then I will be encouraged, no? So basically the acharyas are saying that we were all suffering, the sadhu came. And the sadhu is coming and telling why you are suffering, my dear. For him, for you, the Lord has come. The Lord has come as Sri Gauranga Mahaprabhu. And the Lord is coming and telling, I have come to deliver you. They have come. The Gaur Nitai, Krishna and Balaram has come for us. So why we are wasting our time and energy? Hari Bol, thank you. Everyone is writing. Thank you very much. So that's why we need to understand, for years now, it's passing. Time is passing. And we need to be a better person than yesterday. We need to be a better devotee than yesterday. So what we need to do? We need to pull out the anchor. You know, anchor, the boats, they have an anchor. Anchor, you know, anchor, right? You all know anchor. So Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he tells a story. एक बाराती जा रहा था गंगा से दूसरे जगह पर. तो रात का सफर था. रात में सफर करके, सफर नहीं, हिंदी सफर, रात को यात्रा करेंगे. In night they will, you know, they will go by boat, and then next day morning is the marriage. So the boatman said, I am ready, all of you come. So all the Bharati, they, they boarded the boat, and whole night the boatman, he was, rowing the boat. But in the morning time, everybody slept. In the morning time, when they woke up, they saw that they are in the same place. They didn't go 1 inch towards where they are supposed to go, because the boatman forgot to pull out the anchor, Nongor, and he was just going in the same place. Similarly, years are passing, years Kartiks are going, we are going. Namami Sharan Sachidananda Rupam. Yes, but are we becoming more closer to Krishna or not? So that's why it has been stated that we need to act about our devotional life. Just like Yashoda did her best to catch Krishna. Similarly, we need to give our best to Krishna. We need to try our level best to become Krishna conscious all the time. And then when Krishna saw her devotion, her energy, her love, her effort, that's why Krishna immediately was bounded by her love. Similarly, we need to try our level best to be always Krishna conscious. We need to try our level best to not to miss any Saturday programs. We need to understand, we need to chant our rounds every day. We need to hear Krishna Katha. You need to take Krishna Prasadam. And in that way, what happens actually, we become more closer to Krishna. And that is the reason we are here in the human form of life to love Krishna. Jiver Swarup hai Krishna Nityadas. So this is the day. 1 month is coming now. We need to take a vow for introspection. Let us take a vow this year. Let us be introspective. When we have this introspection in our life, actually, Krishna will give another chance. Krishna gives chance. Last year and this year, what is the difference? Am I the same person? Am I feeling the same hatred or envy about the same person whom I used to do? Am I become irritated very easily as I used to do? So how much we have grown towards Krishna, that we will understand in the provoking situations how we are acting spiritually or not. In this Kartik, let us be introspective about all the positivity that I am imbibing from my spiritual life. Let us introspect how I am trying my level best to more closer to Krishna and Krishna's devotees. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Kirtan, Bhagavata Shravan, Mathura Vas, Srimurti, Shraddhai Sevan. These 5 things, let us take it more seriously. Let us be careful that I am not hurting anyone. Let us be careful that I am not criticizing anyone, because these are all negative things which will stop our devotional creeper to touch the lotus feet of Shri Radha and Sri Krishna, Shri Gaur Nitai Chandra. Let us try our level best to focus on our life, our time. I know many of the devotees, they were telling me, Prabhu, I want to spend much less time in Facebook. I have taken a vow. I know, well, that's wonderful. I will spend less time in the internet, but be in the internet when, Saturday class is Sangha is there. And Sunday morning, tomorrow evening also we have Bhagavad, Chaitanya Charitamrita talk. So in this way, let us receive Sri Radha Damodarji in our heart by becoming more and more careful about our spiritual life. Let us be more sensible about others. Let us be always ready to give Krishna to others. And let us be always positive with Krishna only. And in that way, when we try, Krishna is a very loving God. He loves all of us. He always gives chance. Ajamil story, Ajamil pastime, Krishna gave second chance. And now just imagine, be honest, huh? How many chances Krishna has given to us? Only twice? Every single moment he is giving chance. Okay, yaar, aja. हम भूल गए ये चीज. Okay, yaar, aja. You are my friend, come. As Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, Ami bina bondhu kya ache tomar? He is our best friend. We all want to be with our best friend, no? We feel so happy when we are with our friends. So who is more best than Krishna? So this Kartik, let us come together. Let us try our level best to be positive. How? Let us be introspective about ourselves. What I was last year, Kartik, that what I am in this year, Kartik, and what I want to be after the 30 days pass. Every day give offer a ghee lamp to the Lord. Every day, if it is possible, sing the Damodar Ashtakam. Pray to the Lord. And always try your level best to be positive with Krishna consciousness. And second thing, which I am trying to do in this Kartik, let's do not do the same negativity which used to do. Like, I don't want to tell, I can't understand, I can't tell also what are the different challenges you all are facing. But there are 4 challenges everyone has to face: Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi, Dukkha, Doshanu, Darshana. And after that also there are many other things are there. Sometimes we are depressed, sometimes we are angry, sometimes we are envious, sometimes we are, etc., etc., etc. But in Damodar month of this month, this is Radharani's month. This Radharani's month, Radharani is Karuna, Karuneshwari. She is the epitome of Karuna. Krishna is Karuna Sindhu and she is Karuneshwari, more Karuna. This month is called Urja month. Urja means fuel. This month, any devotional little activity will give you immense result. So let us take advantage of this month. Let us be eager to come and hear Krishna Katha. Temple is open. Come to take darshan of the Lord. From 4:30 to 8:30, it's open now from today. Offer lamp. And I have arranged every day in your name, there will be pujas offered for your well-being, for your spirituality, for your protection, and for your devotion. Take advantage. Krishna is giving so much chance. Don't misuse it. Don't lose it. Let us all try to become a good devotee. I know all of you are devotees. You love Krishna. So let's love Krishna more. Because more you will love Krishna, more you will be happy. And let us try our level best to be away. No criticism, no PNPC. You know PNPC? Hey, ki holo re? Shunechis to pasher badi khuku ar or badir khoka. Hare Krishna. All gossip, stop it. Surfing, stop it. Hours and hours over phone. Let's stop it. Just chit-chatting and wasting our time. Stop it. This Kartik, let's try to be always focused how I can serve and make Sri Hari, Sri Krishna happy. Samsiddhir Haritoshanam. Let us be very grateful towards Prabhupada. Let's be very grateful towards all the devotees who have given us their time, energy, love, affection to love Krishna. Thank them. Call them and thank them that you have done so much for me. And thank you very much. When Krishna sees we are grateful, then he will give us service. Let us all welcome Shri Shri Radha Damodar ji. Let us all welcome Shri Shri Radha, Govind ji, Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Maharani Sudarshan, Shri Shri Gauranitai, to our heart in this Kartik. With lot of love and affection and devotion. And let us be introspective. Please spend some time in this month, every day a little bit, how I can improve myself to love Krishna. If I'm chanting, 8, let me chant this time, double it. Then devotion is double, you will be getting more happiness. If you are reading 1 hour, read 2 hours. If you're associating and hearing Krishna Katha for 45 minutes, double it. Right? If you're taking prasad, double it. But don't double yourself. Do some exercise double also. And in that way, what will happen? You will be happy. Come, take darshan, and let us try in this month be introspective. Be aware what you speak. Be aware what you think. Be aware how you behave. Be aware that you're not forgetting Krishna. And be aware that you are aware of Krishna. That will be the great offering and pushpanjali to the lotus feet of Sri Sri Radha Damodar. Thank you very much. We will be praying, we will be connected, and I'm always there, for all of you. And amazing personalities are coming to give talk also. I won't tell, it is going to be a surprise for all of you, my dear devotees, my dear friends, my dear mothers, my dear God brothers, God sisters, for all of you. Amazing surprises I have made because I love you all, because you love Krishna. Don't miss any satsang. Come here, glorify the Lord, and then you will be happy also. Thank you very much. Let's now go and offer lamp of love to the deities, and that will be amazing. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Any questions you have, you can ask me now. I am over. I wish you all the best. Introspection. That's the topic of today. Introspection is the talk of today. Means let us be introspective full this year, full this month, and always be careful and alert about Krishna. This is the message let us all take, which message has been given by the Acharyas, great personalities, Krishna himself. Ananta Chintayastamam, Krishna is saying that always remember me. And the person who is, the person who is always loving him, what he gives him intelligence. Tesham satatayuktanam bhajatan priti purvakam tadami buddhi yogam tam yena mamu prajanti. So that is going to give us ultimate shelter, ultimate happiness, ultimate, bliss. That remembering always Krishna, Krishna and Krishna. Some small reports. Very soon, we have arranged, the elderly personalities will use the lift to come to the temple. The work is going on in the temple. When you come to the temple, you will see the work is going on. Even many other works are going on that we will be discussing in our next class. I will give you a beautiful report about our last 8 months, what we did in the temple. And stay blessed. Any questions? Over to you all. Hare Krishna. Any questions you have? No question? Okay, very good. So wish you a very, very happy, auspicious Damodar month ahead. Every day try to get up early. Okay, the one question has come. Yashoda binded Radha Damodar, Damodar means Gopal. So why we say Radha Damodar? Actually, if you see the last stanza of Shatravrata Muni, Namaste Su Damne Spuradipti Damne Tadi Udaraya Tad Vishwasta Dhamne Namo Radhika Vai Tadiya Priya Vai Namananta Lilaya Devaya Tutyam. In devotion, Radharani is the epitome. And this month of Kartik is considered as the month of Srimati Radharani. Her another name is Urjeshwari, who gives fuel to our devotional creeper. So for that reason, we worship in this month Radha Damodar. Definitely, we worship Radha, we worship Yashoda Gopal as well, because that is for 1 month. Because Yashoda, we need to be we need to follow the footsteps of Yashoda. Her whole, this is another thing, beautiful thing is, you see, we are very much full of ourselves. We want to be the center of attraction, isn't it? We want to be the center of attraction. We want to take a picture, we will see how many likes are there, whether he has given some comment or not. Because that's the nature of this world. Prakriti kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvasa ahankara vimuda atma karta amiti manyate. Everybody thinks I am the doer, I need to be very much. But actually, we cannot digest that name, fame, and prestige. Only Krishna can do that. That's why the Bhagavatam says, Sarva upadhi vinirmuktam tatparattera nirmalam rishikena rishikesha sevanam bhakti ruchyate. We have to give up all the name, fame, and everything, and we need to serve the Supreme Personality of Godhead in the mood of a servant. Yashoda is very special personality because the name of Yashoda means that she never took the credit of doing something. You see, we all in this material world, we want credit. Yes or no? Even if you're a little bit pained, you think, I did it. Yes, you did it. But the great personalities, they understand spiritual life means blessings. Anything I am doing, even, like Ananga Mohan is speaking, Ananga Mohan Das is speaking. Because my Guru and Srila Prabhupada has blessed, and all of your support and wishes and prayers are there. That's why I am here. I must try. But I need to be humble as well. So Yashoda means who gives yash or fame to others. That is the quality of Yashoda. And whenever we see Yashoda and Damodar, we need to understand, when we have this quality, no name and fame, I am just a servant. Trinadapi sunichena tarot eva sahishnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sadahari. Humbler than the grass, tolerant than the tree, and giving respect to all without expecting anything. My God, what a quality. But Mahaprabhu told this. Why? Because this is the quality Yashoda had. And because of that, even Devaki didn't get the privilege of seeing Krishna's beautiful childhood pastime. Dancing Krishna, dancing in Kaliya. Krishna is, delivering Trinavarta. Krishna is, eating butter. Krishna is stealing butter. Damodar Leela, Govardhan Leela. Who saw? A simple, kind, amazing, lovely, sober Vaishnavi, Yashoda. And what was her qualification? PhD from Cambridge? No, she didn't do that. She was milking the cows and making nice foodstuffs for Krishna. And sometimes she used to give goita, cow dung cake, milking cows, cleaning cows, and ultimately loving Krishna and trying to protect. Who is the protector of everyone? She is trying to protect him. That is Yashoda. So our mood and our mission is to follow Yashoda. You see, the problem is we cannot digest the name and fame. Sarva aparadha hiyaya सर्व अनर्थ विभुश्चया कुरु प्रतिष्ठाया विष्ठाया यंत्रया स्पर्शनम. Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami is saying that this pratishtha means name and fame, prestige and all these things. It's just like the stool of a hog. And we don't touch the stool of a hog. Hog, it may be little, different. The hog eats stool of all other animals. Just imagine what will be its stool. And the pratishtha or name and fame for a practicing Krishna consciousness devotee is just like a stool of a hog. And Kuru Pratisthaya Vishtaya Yantri Asparshanam Hare. But we are very careful, we should not touch it. And the Brajavasis are like that. The whole Kartik, the epitome is Radharani. And when we worship and we have imbibed the quality of these great personalities, Gopir Bharatur Padakamadra Das 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 Das, as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, then we will be touching the lotus feet of Shri Radha Damodara. Because Srimati Radharani is Krishna's favorite. And we need to be also thinking about Nanda, Maharaj, Yashoda, Rohini, Govardhan, Yamuna, Lalita, Vishaka, Sridham, Sudam, and all of them. Vrindavan Dham ki jai. Yes. Any other question anybody is having? This was a nice question. So let us, don't pass here, don't time pass. Time pass mat karo. Past time में डूब जाओ. Sometimes टाइम पास करते हैं हम लोग. तो इन डिवोशन में टाइम पास करने के लिए नहीं आए हैं हम लोग. अच्छा लगता है, प्रभु जी अच्छा बोलते हैं, अच्छा कीर्तन होता है, थोड़ा मजा आ जाता है. Don't come for that. Anyway, even if you come for that also, Krishna is also so, he is just like a fire, beautiful divine fire. Even if you touch, you will be purified. But ultimate aim, टाइम पास के लिए नहीं आ रहे हैं हम लोग पास टाइम को याद करने के लिए आ रहे हैं. Why we are here? We have to love Krishna. Let's be serious about it. And when we are serious, what we will be? You will be happy.